What is happening today?
Today, we are going to Church Street as usual
Yes.
for shooting our apparel drop stuff. And I am very nervous. I'm too nervous.
Why are you nervous?
You know how nervous I am? I'm listening to Selfie Pulle, Vijay shit songs. That's how nervous I am.
Damn.
One, I have to do makeup for everyone.
Okay.
I'm really nervous. I don't usually do makeup on other people, so I'm very nervous. I'm nervous because I've put up my hair. I hope it's like okay by the time we reach there.
What piece of clothing are you the most excited for people to try, for the models to try?
I personally really like the grey hoodie. I really like the grey hoodie, like the work in progress hoodie.
Yeah.
That's a good hoodie because I mean I look good in it, so that's my favorite. But I also like the green. The green and grey are both my favorites.
What about the... I am more concerned because we did not do any elaborate pre-planning for
I'm
the
pretty
shoot.
sure Afif did it. And he will brief us. Yeah.
When there's a lot of written planning, written instructions involved,
You never work
I get very
out.
overwhelmed.
Yeah, it never
Yeah.
works for you. You're
I
more
get-
spontaneous.
Yeah, I get most overwhelmed. So, one thing I'm nervous about is the location. Church Street is not the best place to shoot for product photography unless it comes to
vibes.
streetwear.
It's vibes.
Vibes is,
And the product is us,
yeah,
not us.
selling ourselves for cheap. So go buy cancerstigma.com. Be sure to check it out. Join the wait list.
Please follow us. We're working really hard. Please follow Cancel Stigma. Follow our Instagram actually. Please.
Yeah, follow our Instagram. We put out
Please.
nice content there.
Please follow our Instagram. I edit that. Please. I don't wanna do other content.
Yeah, and I
Really
make
like-
her edit it. I don't want to make her edit anything. go follow Cancel Stigma. It's in my bag. Exciting segment.
I've always wanted to do this.
Yeah.
Okay, one, a Polaroid for our shoot. Mini pouch of mostly spray bottle of water. I don't know why.
Yeah, in case.
In case Vaseline. In
Vaseline.
case. Of course, my favorite.
Micellar.
Cleansing water because this is how I clean up my makeup. And I got Q-tips to clean up makeup. And I have so many lipsticks. I don't know why. Moisturizer. A few brushes because I can't just use my finger for everybody. I need to I would, but hygiene purposes. So I have blush, I have highlighter, I have mascara. Again, glittery lip gloss. Why do we need this? I don't know. 3 palettes in this. I don't want to take it out because I arranged it. Oh, I also have a box of accessories, bobby pins, rings. I also have this is what Shweta gave me. Our mini compact mirror. Let's see what's in Shweta's bag. Okay, let's
So
go.
this is the camera bag.
Okay.
And so before leaving for any shoot, I have to prep this lens hood for when we don't have to record. 2 microphones for when we have to record. We have a charger, which is the most important thing to own if you own a Sony camera. You know how great Sony cameras are with battery life. Continuation of the theme that we're talking about currently. Another battery converter for the mics that I just showed. My personal bag. We're gonna blur that one out. Daily Objects did not sponsor this. Yeah, so if we're blurring something out, you don't need to zoom into it. In the first pouch, I have my wallet. Wired earphones.
Okay.
Great earphones. Wired earphones, bring those mugs back. Lighter, in case things go wrong and I have to burn someone. It's some pass to some event. Oh, see them odds. I have a Ben 10 watch,
Do you by any chance have you?
which I'm not gonna explain. 10 rupee note in case I have to buy one choti. Second zip mein, I have
Hard disk.
hard disk with Therapy Club sticker. This is where everything is. This is where this vlog will be. This is where my social security information is also there. I'm not part of, although an ally, I am not,
That's what every ally says.
because my vision isn't straight. I don't have 10 on 10, 20 vision.
You know
what
why?
they
Because you're gay.
say. That's right. Asi takes on shorts. Because I'm a medium distance relationship. Charger until I switch to gas powered laptop. I need a charger. I have a laptop too. My house keys
Oh!
that have a jalebi on them.
Classic Bengali.
Classic Bengali. That's actually a Gujarati stereotype, I think, having jalebis.
Really?
Bengalis would have rasgullas. And I hate rasgullas. I like jalebis though. I like Gujaratis also. Should I wear it now?
Yes. I am forcing Rohan to wear a hoodie, even though it's hot. I walked in this heat, so he should. When in an AC cafe.
Okay. But I thought this will go better with
This
the...
is nice.
Yeah, I think this will go better with the green.
Yeah. This will go better with the green, but this will go better with blue. So mid should we can change.
It's so dark.
What's up?
It's so dark, dude.
Yeah, bro. Chandana, when I say go, hold that pose. ठीक है? Go.
Talk to each other. No, don't talk.
Looks like a wedding photo.
Talk to her. I've been cancelling stigmas today. Can't look. And when I cancel all these stigmas, I feel so amazing. Yeah, I've been cancelling stigmas today. And when you cancel all these stigmas, I feel so amazing. People are like, you shouldn't be selling hoodies in summer. And we're like, you cancel stigma. You don't get to say who decides what to wear, when to wear.
Drink it.
Yeah, this one.
She's smelling it.
We'll see. And you know what we're gonna do?
You are taking one for
We're
the
gonna use this as mask.